In the dynamic world of logistics, the need for skilled forklift operators is more crucial than ever. At Dulson Training in Ludlow, we recognize the pivotal role forklift training plays in enhancing workplace safety and efficiency. Our accredited programs are not just about meeting legal requirements. They're about empowering operators to lead with confidence and precision. Step into state-of-the-art training facilities where modern equipment and realistic scenarios bring learning to life. Whether you're mastering industrial counterbalance trucks or reaching new heights with reach trucks, our hands-on courses cover every aspect of forklift operation. Guided by our team of expert instructors, each trainee receives personalized support, ensuring every operator is prepared to tackle the challenges they'll face on the job. With flexible training schedules available throughout the week, Dulson Training makes it easy to learn at your own pace without disrupting your routine or business operations. We pride ourselves on our commitment to quality and compliance, backed by accreditations from industry leaders like RTITB and JAT. This dedication ensures that every course we offer aligns with the latest safety standards and best practices. So whether you're an individual looking to launch a fulfilling career or a business aiming to enhance your team's capabilities, Dulson Training is your partner in success. Don't just take our word for it. Experience the transformation for yourself. Contact Dulson Training today and step into a safer, more efficient future with forklift training that sets the benchmark for excellence. Your path to a skilled operation starts here.